being on the top 10, it's like a dream come true. I never thought to be in like INISS colleges. By God's grace and yours blessing, sir, I got good rank in this exam. Neurosurgery, neuro-oncology, radiology, everything from your app, like sequence-wise, what infections, every topic I have to cover to get into INISS. See your time for INISS preparation. Don't leave, just enjoy and just give whatever you can do. Everyone can break any exam. Just have to believe and don't think of that INISS is very tougher. You have to prepare and you have to try.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings from Speed Medical Institute on behalf of all the faculty members to Dr. Bipin K. Mishra for scoring a topmost rank of AML 9 and CML 10 and INISS November 2023 session in the specialty of MCH Neurosurgery. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure, sir.
Great. It's equally an honor to have you in this interview session today to share your experiences. Can we know, doctor, where you started your journey from? What all you have done till date?
Sir, I did my Rajiv Gandhi Medical College, Kalwar, Thane, it's in Maharashtra. Then I did my post-graduation from Government Medical College, Aurangabad. It's in Maharashtra only, sir. And from there, I have given NEET, sir, and that also I have good rank. But in INI, I just gave for MCH Neurosurgery, just for MCH Neurosurgery, and then I got this rank, sir. So on behalf of that, I'm sitting in front of you.
Really, really wonderful. And can we know what was the primary preparation and exam was? Is it NEET SS or INISS?
Sir, actually, my primary preparation was for NEET SS, but I didn't get that rank from where I can get neurosurgery in whatever college I was thinking in my mind. So I started preparing after my NEET exam for INI, and just from your app, I just got subscription for INISS neurosurgery, and then after a NEET SS, that next 20-25 days I was having in my hand. So I did like neurosurgery for next 24 days, and just one day I did general surgery revision in that, and then I went for exams, sir.
So you decided to prepare for INISS neurosurgery after giving NEET SS
Yes, sir.
2023, correct?
Initially, I was I have to do neurosurgery, but from NEET SS, sir. And I have certain colleges in my mind, but I didn't got that rank so that I can go to that college or can get admission to that college. It was like, sir, my rank was around 1600, sir, 161639. So I decided to go for properly for INISS neurosurgery, sir.
See, September month end, that is 29th was the exam.
Yes, sir.
For
29th
NEET
was the
SS.
exam.
So
Yes,
when
sir.
you started your INISS preparation?
So just after one day, sir, like from 30th, I got subscription of your app, and you have said you have just only 25 days in your hand, and you have to do like 10 or 15 days first app or like whatever video or notes, and then after that go for first revision, and if possible go for second revision. Same exactly what that routine I followed with myself, and I did, sir. I cannot complete your whole video, sir, from speed up, but I completed almost all PPTs, almost all PDF in 10 to 15 days, and then I revised it, and I then started solving questions, sir.
So after giving NEET SS, you are not very comfortable of those ranks and results. Then you, within 1 or 2 days, you decided to go to the next exam.
Yeah, sir, and it was like this rank is going to come in next 15 days.
Correct.
So it was pre-decided in my mind that at least in that 15 days, I am going to complete my first revision as per your video, sir. So it was like if I am getting rank, then it's okay. Then I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to give stress to INSS. But after getting that rank, then I am confident that now it's time to bring your best in this exam, sir. I don't know, but I did, sir.
Correct. So then the video is a truth. Correct. The video
Yes,
is a
sir,
fact.
Yes, sir, it's a fact. It's a fact.
Because I used to read some comments also. How is it possible to do INISS preparation in 15 days?
Sir.
I always used to tell students, without preparing and giving an exam, seeing the videos at least once.
Yes,
all
sir,
the
yes,
PowerPoint slides are revising the grand test. It will make a lot of difference, and a lot of students have done it. And you are a standing example that
yes.
You are able to do it.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes. I'm definitely I am prepare. I was preparing for NEET, and I got good rank in INI compared to NEET.
Yeah, see, you are a role model. I'll tell you, this video everybody should watch. I'm telling you why. For the reason, number one, that everybody thinks like what you have also thought, that NEET SS is my primary exam because more number of seats are there.
Yes, sir.
and I will able to do there. And
Same, sir.
same, and
Yes,
less
sir.
number of seats are there in
In
INISS.
INI.
So there is no idea of why should I prepare that, and anyway I will not get.
Yes, sir.
And so that is the area that has to be broken into pieces and has to prepare and just
Yes,
not.
sir.
I mean, anyway, now see, Dr. Bipin would have gone through neurosurgery in specialty depth. Now
Yes, sir.
when he goes to MCH neurosurgery, he will have in-depth knowledge of what he's going to do. And the
Yes,
time
sir.
that is required to prepare is only for the procedure wise. Theory you would have done already now.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Initially, I did some neurosurgery. Like, I was in my mind, I have to go for neurosurgery. So I was like, I have to complete my neurosurgery from Bailey and Sebastian as per NEET syllabus. And then once I got that rank, then I like it. It's time to like do everything, whatever neurosurgery is required. For example, spine things, neurosurgery, neuro-oncology, neuro radiology, everything from your app, like sequence-wise, what infections, every topic I have to cover to get into INISS.
Yes. So this is a double advantage. One, you are getting a central institute. Number two, you are preparing your specialty itself in advance. And you are saving one more year. Next NEET is going to come on September 2024.
Yeah, so that was in my mind. But I was like, if I'm going to give this attempt, if I'm not getting, then definitely I'm going to attempt of April
Yeah,
INISS.
April NESS.
That was in my mind, sir. But by God's grace and yours blessing, sir, I got good rank in this exam.
I'm very happy. I mean,
Thank you, sir.
see, that's what, see, I take a lot of interviews and I interact with a lot of toppers for one simple reason, that to get to know what is happening in them. I mean, how are they approaching? What have they have done in their preparation? So that in 10, 20 minutes of that video, so with that, the fact of what people have done, if it is, I mean, informed to someone else, it could change somebody's life and save. So I'm very for what he has done. So now, can I know what he did for NEET SS, his preparation, and last 15 days, what he did for INISS preparation, and to summarize and to give a brief idea about it, so that students who are watching this video can be benefited.
Sir, to summarize that, for example, I just passed my MS exam, sir, and it was a hectic in one. It was one of the hectic college in Maharashtra. So I could not get that preparation like from that point of view for like cracking any NEET or NESS. So it was like after giving my theory and practical exams, I was like, I have to go for MCQ based study. So I started preparing for NEET SS, and it was like, I have to complete in next 50 days. So I have planned like 50 days, 30 days of first reading, and after that 10 days if possible. If not possible, then 15 days or 5 days or 5 days if possible. So going that with that routine, I completed first reading in 35 days and next reading in 15 days. So it was like, sir, with one reading and two revision, I went for NEET SS, and in mock I was getting good rank. So I thought it will be sufficient for me. But on the final day, I did some mistakes which I really feel for that. But just because of that mistakes, I came back to home that I did that some mistakes. I have to read or I have to not read, like whether to go for INISS. It's very less time, or like you can say, sir, just 20 days is remaining. After 29, they just postpone AIMS exam from 22 to 29. It was advantage for me, like say more 7 days to me. So I thought, let's try. And just your video came on that day, or like just after the exam day. Now it's your time for any SS preparation. Don't leave, just enjoy and just give whatever you can do. So I thought, let's start, and when result will come, then definitely my approach will be any SS, like 24 hour, whatever I can give, sir. So in first 15 days, I started like first reading of your PPT or your PDF of every part of the neurosurgery, and especially some of the videos also I watch, sir. It's not like I completely watch, I completely read your PPT. It's like I have 50% of the videos I watched, and most of like 100% of the PPTs I read, sir, in the first 15 days. And when the result came, it was like a heartbreaking for me that day. But that day I took rest, and next another your video came, sir, on same day in evening, I think. And you have stated that it's now time. Don't think of past and be in present, and think of in next exam which is coming in your way, and you have to complete you have to mark 80 out of 80. That was in my mind. So from there, that day I started giving mock of INISS, and from that day only I started marking 80 out of 80 questions, so I can assess myself where I'm standing and how many marks, how many negative, marks I'm doing. So from that point of view, I started revising those questions or those topics which I'm very loose, or like you can say very less prepared. So I prepared same topics which I am doing mistakes. And you were like, sir, in your test, it is like most of the topics were repeat, like in next test. So we can like easily grab, this question was in previous exam, but still I am doing the same mistakes. So I start preparing those question in next exam. So basically this helps me. And final exam was, I can say, sir, uh, comparatively to other exam or mock exam, it was little bit like good for me. Like,
Okay. So once the NESS results came and then you are qualified for the exam and interview, from there what happened? What was your feel of looking at CML rank of 10 and looking of 3000 and odd NEET SS? Am I right? What was the
sir,
rank?
1639, sir.
I'm sorry, 1639.
Yeah.
From there, for 1 month before the performance, and within a month, subsequent month, you are getting a rank of 10. So
Uh,
you are able to assess it. Both are two different exams and two different ball games.
yeah,
And what was your opinion and feeling on it?
yeah. And I just after realized almost, I knew I can perform much better, but I didn't get. But after just 1 month, like last result was on 15th, and now it is on 22nd of just like after 35 days. It's like a drastic change from nowhere to somewhere, like being on the top 10. It's like a dream come true. I never thought to be in like INISS colleges. I just thought, okay, I am going to give a good good one prep for this INISS, but I am going to get I'm going to get rank in top 10. It's something very different for me and for my family. And when I give them I'm getting top 10 rank in CA, like in common merit list, and AIMS list is like AML is 9, and they were like, it's okay. That cry or that defeat helps you to gain something else in life.
Fantastic.
And it's
So
good, sir. It's good as well. It's good feeling, sir. And anyone can do that if they are doing like properly. If they are doing like properly specialty. And one thing you said, sir. Now it's only 25 days, so don't bother about what like general surgery part, which is like 30-35 questions or 40 question max. But think of your specialty for like neurosurgery. So you have to think for neurosurgery only for next 24 days, and as much as you can do if in your specialty path. So I did same thing, and I just revised one day my all like important notes of general surgery which I prepared in NEET SS, and then I went for exams.
very good, very precise.
Yes.
And so how many questions did you attend in NESS?
Sir, no doubt, sir. 80 out of 80. You have said 80, 80 is the minimum you have said.
Minimum.
So I
Very
have
good.
attempted 80, sir. An
So,
interview also, sir. Interview also good, sir. And they have just asked like basic questions only about myself, from where I am, how much bond is there, and then simple questions about neurosurgery, sir, by slides.
very good. Now, what is the message that you want to give to the students who are watching this video and those who are aspiring for MCH specialty?
MCS specialist, sir, it's not like one NEET SS candidate cannot break any SS. Everyone can break any exam. Just have to believe and just have to like keep doing that thing. The only thing is your revision and the important things which you have to study. It's not like you have to study everything. Specific points, specific PPTs, specific PDF or specific notes, whatever you are reading, go through that, revise that, and just keep believe and give exam. You will qualify definitely, sir.
Okay,
And
great.
like just don't break with one exam. There is one like another more, or like in future you can give another exams which can bring like happiness to you.
So, time to thank whom all you want to thank. You can thank for using this platform who helped you to achieve what you're today.
So first of all, your speed, all like neurosurgery faculty, Dr. Satish Kumar sir, Dr. Mohammed sir, and yourself, sir, that your two videos were inspiring, which gave me belief ki yeah, even I can try for this exam in ESS. And now it is happening that I can get in like AIMS Delhi if I can, like possible, or otherwise NIMANS AIMS Delhi or whatever, AIMS Jodhpur, whatever, or PGI Chandigarh. Now everything is open for me, so I can try, I can get there.
I'm very, very happy for you, actually.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, So it is created. I mean, you mean an achiever in you. This exam is brought in outside, and there is only the try that you need to do. It is just to
yes.
subject yourself. I always say that if without going to the war, you cannot win the war.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it was there in interview, that video also of yours, that statement.
So subjecting oneself and to go on, if it can give results, why that opportunity has to be missed? So I really happy that you followed it and it has given you good results for you. I'm very happy for it as a team.
Yes, sir. Actually, every candidate who get like some far ranks, like more than 1,000, and they are thinking that they should not try this exam. They should just go through your PDF or whatever they are following. Just go through that, and they should attempt, because something is written in your like luck or in your like in your life. So you have to like you have to give one attempt more, sir. And don't think of that INISS is very tougher. You have to prepare and you have to try.
Very, very good,
Nothing
doctor.
else, sir.
So once again, I bring in all the wishes from all the faculty and team of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Bipin for making it truly inspirational for us and all of us, and for all the future students also. And congratulations, and have a great career ahead in neurosurgery. As a neurosurgeon, your services are going to be benefiting a lot of people, and thousands and millions of people. Wish you all the best advances and congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.